What's up, guys? It's your boy D Fresh in the building, guys. What we gonna do today, we gonna go over Wednesday's game plan. But before we do that, do me a favor, go ahead and hit that like button below. Subscribe to the channel. That way, anytime we drop a video, you get the notification. Man, what a crazy day we had today. An exciting day. This was a day where if you jumped in these plays, this was life-changing money. If you made money on that Tesla play that I put out in the Discord, let me know in the comments below. If you made money on any play today, let me know in the comments below. I want to celebrate with you guys. Let me know what play it was that you jumped in. And if it was SPY, Tesla, it was a few of them that just hit the ground today. So I'm celebrating. I'm popping champagne bottles in the air with y'all. So let's go ahead and jump into the tickers. Newbies, beginners, I got a couple for you. Go ahead and get your notepads out. This is some good ones for you. I'm going to throw Mara on there. They have earnings Wednesday, tomorrow at closing. So this is one to pay attention to. They're sitting at 1263 right now. If you are a bull, you want to see them open higher than these tops right here at 1270. They can do that right there. Next level up is going to be 1305. What you want to see them break through this level right here at 1350. They can do that right there. Next level up is going to be this stuff up in here at 1386. Next level, you got 14, and then boom, you got 1440 on deck. So again, they got earnings. If Wall Street feeling that right there, they can pop this thing all the way back up to this level at 1630. On the downside, if you are a bear, you want to see them open lower than this middle right in here at 1240. They can do that right there. Next level down is going to be 1225. Next level after that, pay attention to this one. This is 1205. That can create a double bottom right there. And a double bottom means that once price action get there, and if they can't push no lower, the bulls is going to pop that thing right back up. So innocent until proven guilty. If they can break through it, then bears is going to push this thing a lot farther down. So there you go in that ticker right there. Next one up, guys. Here's another one, another pre-earnings play. Ticker symbol DELL. They have earnings on Thursday at closing. They're sitting at 111.15. If you are a bull, you want to see them open over 111.70. They can do that right there. You got another area of interest at 113.15. Next level up, boom, you got 113.95. They break through there. Boom, you got 114.81. Next level up is these tops right in here at 115.50. They can break through there. Next level up, boom, 117.30. If their earnings is favorable, they can run this thing all the way back up to this 121.20 area. On the downside, you want to see them open under these middles right here, 110.60. If they can open lower than that, you got an area of interest at 110.30, and then boom, you got these bottoms at 109.65. But expect the bulls to be there. That will be almost a triple bottom. You got this bottom, you got this bottom, and if they create it right here and they can't get through that right there, the bulls is going to raise it back up. If they break through it, expect more downside. I will be updating those tomorrow in the Discord. Last but not least, for the newbies, I got Palantir for you. You see, Palantir has, ever since they went up to that 125, they have been taking a beating. They're sitting at 88.54. If you are a bull, you want to see them get past these tops at 88.95. If they can do that, they can slowly try to get some of this back. You got 90.50. Next level up, you got 91.60. Got another area of interest right in here at 92.70. And then you got this right here, boom, 94.18. If they can break through there, they can slowly start trying to run this thing back up 98.90 and the higher stuff. On the downside, if you are a bear, what you want to see is these middles right here get taken out. You want to see them open at 87.40. If they can do that, next level down, boom, you got 86.40. Next level after that is going to be this heavy level, 86.45. Expect the bulls to show up right there. So big baller shot callers, where y'all at? I got one for you, the one that everybody is paying attention to for tomorrow at closing. Ticker symbol NVDA, NVIDIA. NVIDIA. They report Wednesday at closing. So people, understand the assignment. If you gonna hold this thing at closing tomorrow, they have earnings, which mean you got IV crush that's gonna affect those contracts. If you wrong, you gonna get smoked. You can be right and it don't pump as high as it should, and you can still lose money in that play. So just understand the assignment when you getting into that play right there. Unless you got good contracts with good strike prices, you should be able to benefit if they pump up. So tomorrow morning, what we want to see, they're sitting at 127.40. We want to see them open somewhere around 128.30. If they can do that, the next area that the Bulls is going to target is these tops right here at 129.90 before they start trying to boom this stuff back up to 131.95, and then boom, you got 133.05. Next level up is this stuff right here at 135, and they can really boom this thing. And we have witnessed what NVIDIA can do upon a good odd earnings, and Wall Street is favorable to it. They can go out of control. This thing can go from where we sitting at 127, they can go all the way 180, $200 on a good favorable outcome with them. But it's two sides to every story. So if you are a bear, you want to see them open lower than these middles right here at 127.05. They can do that right there. You got another area of interest at 126.10, and then boom, you got 124.40 on deck and lower. And guys, we know how far NVIDIA can fall if it's unfavorable and Wall Street is not messing with it. They can go all the way back up under that $100 mark. But again, Thursday morning, whenever they do put their stuff out Wednesday night, Thursday morning, I'll have those fresh updated levels for you before the market starts. So next ticker up, we got the SPY. All right, guys, with the SPY, we're sitting at 595 right now. If you are a bull, you want to see this open higher than 595.60. They can do that. Boom, you got 596.65 on deck. Next level up is going to be 597.60. Next level after that, you got 598.72, and then boom, 600.80. On the downside, what you want to see is them open lower than this area right in here. You got 594.10. They can do that. You got these middles right here at 593.10, and then boom, 591.95. They lose that. We coming back down to these bottoms up in here, 590.55, and then this little area at 589.61 before they start trying to push it even lower. Last but not least, guys, we gonna throw the one that we was killing today in the Discord. We gonna throw that Tesla ticker up there. This one failed so hard today, it wasn't even funny. I had a play in the Discord. Not sure, I can't remember exactly the original play was in the morning announcements, but if you took that break, man, and just held on, it was no bulls, nowhere in sight all day. It didn't matter if they gave a little pump. I put it out there. I said, guys, I wouldn't touch nothing having to do with buying calls in Tesla at this point. They would have to get to a certain point before it even get my attention. Until then, we gonna keep eating on this to the downside. And man, did they fall? They fell hard. Look at this. This is a crazy drop. This is life-changing drops, especially if you catching these plays right here. This is life-changing money. So if you played this play right here, we started the day out around 328, and man, they fell. I think I had a play in there, puts at 324, man, and they just kept falling. They gave us a little fake out, and I put in the Discord, I said if they lost, I think it was 309.20, that they were coming down even lower, 305, 300, and they came right down to those areas. They tried to get us again down here, but the bulls started showing some signs of life, but they are so far gone right now. I still wouldn't be messing with calls. They got to, again, get through a certain area for me to be interested. Right now, they sitting at 303.90. They still in bear striking zone as far as I'm concerned. But if you are interested in scalping this, because Tesla does give you chances to scalp it, you just cannot be greedy. You got to get in and get out. You want to see 306.45 get taken out. They can take out 306.45. You got to run up to 309.40. And once they get past this area right here at 313.15, they can boom this thing all the way back up. So be careful of holding on to puts long term. On the downside, what you want to see them open lower than 302.30. If they can do that, next level down is this middle right here at 300.5. Next level after that, boom, these bottoms right here at 297.41. Man, this ticker, if they start pushing down, it's an area of interest I have in here. If they start pushing, we got 295.90 on deck. You got another area at 293.50. You got some turbulence at about 290, but if they lose 290.10, watch this. Boom, you got 284.80. They lose that level right there. Boom, you got 275.65 on deck. We will handle in real time. Again, play what you see. Don't play on your emotions. Play what the chart is telling you. So that's all I got with the tickers right there. But what I want to do now, I want to show some love to some people in the community. Squads 215 hit me up and said, got in and got out of LMND puts lemonade ticker. We green so far. Heck of a day. Followed your price ranges and nailed it. Champagne bottles in the air for you. I'm proud of you. You understood the assignment and you dominated the mission. I love it. I'm super duper proud of you. Keep grinding, my guy. Next one comes from Matthew 4827. Hit me and said, followed your levels that you called out and SPY. Got in and got out. This is a really good feeling as I've been relearning all of your strategies you teach on YouTube. Because I've been on a losing streak for a while, I'm finally learning and applying that 20 EMA over the 9 EMA. That's golden. Thank you for your knowledge. Guys, you got to check that video out. If you know how to execute that right there, that is easy money right there. He said, I set my stop loss and trailed it because, like you say, $100 is better than no $100. Shout out to you for that right there. You're a blessing, bro. So, hey, man, I appreciate the love. Keep grinding. I'm glad that you was able to watch that video on the 20 EMA, 9 EMA crossover. You was able to understand the assignment and you are dominating clearly the mission. Good job. Keep grinding. Last but not least, I got Marilyn hit me up and said, thanks so much for your time and videos. Learning so much. Followed Tesla and SPY. Green all morning. See green, take green. No emotions. Don't be greedy. I'm out now. Off to work for enjoyment. Made what some make in a week. Champagne bottles in the air for that right there. Truly a blessing. Had a bad red day last week. I learned my lesson. That's what it's about. I tell everybody sometimes the L's, the losses that we make in the stock market are often our best teachers. So I'm glad you was able to learn that lesson. All three of you guys, I am super duper proud of y'all. Keep grinding. Champagne bottles in the air. I love it. But to everybody else, if you not in the Discord, get in the Discord. What are y'all waiting for? Guys, you see that we killing it, you know, with this play right here. Tesla went absolutely crazy, but don't get it twisted. We got SPY on there. We knocked SPY out of the ballpark. It don't matter what the ticker is. When I'm throwing these plays out here, you should just be sitting back, relaxing, set your stop loss, and then we waiting for these levels to get there. I'm not going to put out anything in the chat or on my Discord that's bogus or that I don't believe that it's going to come to those areas. That's why I give you two different areas. I give you the idea for the upside and ideas to the downside. And when we get in those push, you should already sit back and you should never expect anything different. And people ask me, hey, you be putting the tiger out there and then you put expect anything different. What is that? Everybody that know me know I'm a huge tiger fan. This is why you shouldn't. Here it go. This is where I got it from.
Expect anything different?
You should never expect anything different when I'm out here grinding. Guys, this is the whole reason I'm doing this, because I want to see everybody winning. I want to see everybody celebrating. I want to be able to come on here and read 5-10 messages on here every day about everybody celebrating. So keep doing it. And again, if you're not in the Discord, you missing out. Get in the Discord. That way you got access to my full list of call outs as well as the technical analysis breakdowns on the top plays throughout the session. But guys, I done took enough of your time. But hey, if you like sniper type level to level level periodic breakdowns of your favorite tickers: SPY, NVIDIA, Tesla, Palantir, Hut, Hood, Nike. Go ahead and tap into the Discord. The link is in the description above. If you like this kind of content, do me a favor. Go ahead and hit that like button below. Subscribe to the channel. That way, anytime we drop a video, you get the notification. And as always, we're grinding. Good luck out there, and let's get it. Boom!